Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
What's it now? Fucking. You understand? One in the head, she no put it. And she rolling through the fuck. Yeah, we can nice cut you shall I shit. Anybody play mad again one? For one in the head, all kind of thing. Now we are doing it in fucking Trinidad, boy. Trinidad is not a real place, watch I. Gun in a hand, me no kite in a waist. You understand?
Gun in a hand, me no carry it in a waist. Trinidad is not a nice place. And that this man is saying. But really and truly, me I look at that video and me have to wonder to myself say, if that video is really real. Because me have a feeling, you know, deep down I look at myself and me I say, yo, what if this man is an undercover police or is a licensed firearm holder and something just go wrong and him just tell the people them say, yo, move out of the street. You can't, that's the thing, you know. That is what made me start reconsider is the fact that him have the gun in his hand in the middle of the city where everybody can see him and him a tell, say, move out of the way. You can see like him a tell somebody to move out of the way, you see me? And people now run. People look at him and go through with it like that, you see me? Who to tell if that is not even a real gun? That's the next thing again. So, that's the biggest thing right there. So you see me, I say, no sir. Well anyways, people, let me tell you what going on now. That video hit social media. And it a raise a point, you know. Them a say to themselves, say, yo, which man could have really brave so? You see me? Which man could have really brave so if you're having gun in your hand and a walk through in the city like this without the fear of police pouncing upon him like that or see him. You see me, I say? Yeah, and the biggest question me that I like to ask, you know, too, because I basically two questions I like to ask, you know, if that gun is really real, what if it's a toy gun? You understand? Because sometimes people make videos for hit social media a certain way you wouldn't believe, alright? But anyways, I don't know the thing already. If you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Skilla and this way just say Dancehall Skilla ENT. Big up on yourself. You see?